Could this futuristic Mercedes motorhome change how we travel forever? Meet the Mercedes Double Decker Motorhome of the future. This isn't just an RV, it's a moving 5-star hotel on wheels. Today we're exploring its exterior design, interior comfort, performance, and price. Everything you need to know before it hits the road. Let's find out. From the outside, this motorhome has the presence of a futuristic luxury bus. Its tall double-decker body stands out immediately, finished in a smooth white and black two-tone with flowing aerodynamic curves. The front fascia is dominated by a wide windshield and sharp LED daytime running lights that frame the lower grille. On the side, the illuminated entrance and powered steps hint at a high-end interior. Large tinted windows run the length of both decks, promising panoramic views inside. Subtle body lines and hidden panels keep the exterior looking clean, while soft lighting around the doorway gives the whole motorhome an upscale, cinematic glow. From the rear, this motorhome keeps the same futuristic luxury vibe. The tall, sculpted back panel flows smoothly with no clutter, making it look more like a high-end concept vehicle than a typical RV. Full-width LED light strip crowns the top edge, glowing like a single blade of light when the brakes come on. Sleek vertical tail lamps are seamlessly integrated into the bodywork, mirroring the bold design of the front headlights. Below, discreet air vents, and a clean bumper line hint at hidden power and smart cooling systems. Triple wheels on each side emphasize stability and give it a commanding stance. The tinted upper windows wrap around the rear corners, adding to the panoramic feel inside. Even from behind, the entire look says premium, powerful, and ready for the road ahead. Ever wondered what it feels like to drive a luxury penthouse on wheels? Step inside this futuristic Mercedes motorhome, where a high-tech cockpit, leather lounge seats, and glowing ambient lights turn every road trip into a first-class experience. The cabin feels more like the cockpit of a luxury SUV than a motorhome. Soft beige leather seats with thick cushioning offer long trip comfort, while the sweeping dashboard uses black piano finish panels accented with warm ambient lighting. Right in front, a fully digital driver display shows speed, navigation, and vehicle status in crisp detail. Next to it, a large central touchscreen manages entertainment, climate, and smart features at a tap. A second screen below handles quick controls and system settings. Everything is designed to be simple and intuitive. The flat-bottom steering wheel features integrated controls so the driver can stay focused on the road ahead. Wide wraparound windows bring in plenty of light and give you an uninterrupted view of the highway, making even long journeys feel open and relaxed. Subtle LED strips line the ceiling and door panels, creating a soft golden glow that feels cozy at night. This is not just a driver's area. It's a moving lounge with technology, safety, and luxury blended into one seamless space. Step inside and discover the ultimate luxury motorhome experience as the camera glides forward. A breathtaking lounge unfolds. 2 elegant beige sofas with plush gold and black cushions line the space, while soft underseat lighting and a sculpted ceiling glow set an upscale, relaxing tone. Look to your left and take in the panoramic window framed by tall, textured curtains, a moving view of the world outside, yet wrapped in total privacy. Every surface you see feels premium. Glossy finishes, muted color palettes, and soft touch materials worthy of a 5-star suite on wheels. Moving deeper into the motorhome, the scene flows seamlessly into a full living and entertainment. Plush seating that converts into beds, a large TV with integrated sound, and accent lighting everywhere to elevate the experience. Continue your walkthrough into the chef-inspired kitchen, premium countertops, induction cooktops, a full-size fridge, and smart storage designed to rival modern apartments. Next, glide past the boutique-style bathroom with its spacious shower, elegant fixtures, and ample storage, a private spa on the road. This isn't just a motorhome interior, it's a rolling 5-star suite crafted to make every mile feel like home. Everything here is built for long journeys. Onboard Wi-Fi and satellite connectivity keep you online wherever you go. Smart climate zones let you adjust temperature separately in different areas. Multiple charging points, solar panel options, and large water tanks extend your time off-grid. With generous storage compartments and fold-out features, it's ready for family trips, business travel, or even full-time living. While the final price hasn't been confirmed, early estimates place it in the premium segment. Think luxury RV territory. That means it's designed for customers who want the highest level of comfort, technology, and style on the road. In other words, this is not your average motorhome. It's a statement piece for those who can afford it. Thanks for joining me on this tour of the Mercedes Double Decker Motorhome. If you enjoyed this review, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more detailed looks at the world's most exciting vehicles. What do you think? Is this the future of road travel? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, safe travels and happy driving.